I am back. It's time for math.
As we have learnt table of 0 and 1 now, so it's time for table of 2. But first, let's understand a new topic, skip counting. What is skip counting? We use skip counting to quickly count many things. Okay? For example, there are so many dolls. If we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then it will take so much time. But if we count two dolls together, it will take less time, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 dolls. Let's do skip counting by 2 on number line. Here we skip one number means we leave one number and jump on the next number. Look at the dragonfly. It skips one number and jumps on the next number. Like it starts from 0. Then it skips 1 and jumps on 2. Again, it skips 3 and jumps on 4. Then it jumps on 6. Then 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. This method helps us learn tables easily. So today we will learn table of 2 with skip counting. Speak with me. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16, 2 nines are 18, and 2 tens are 20. Very good. Now recite the table of 2 at your home. We will meet soon.
Okay, bye bye.